How to use GetInt function in AutoCAD. Solution. This function pauses for user input to enter an integer value and returns that specified value. GetInt message. Function range from -32,768 to +32,767 values. If you enter other than an integer value, then this function displayed the message, requires an integer value and allows you to enter again. See how it works. Here you can see the two examples of GetInt function. In first example you can see we have stored GetInt function value in setQ function. And by using this value we will ask to enter radius value to create a circle. In second example you can see we have stored GetInt function values in setQ function. By using these value we will ask to enter inside and outside diameter values to create a donut. Here we have loaded first example. Run test command to run the Lisp. Enter radius value example 10. Here you can see that the circle is created with this value. Here we have loaded second example of GetInt function. Run test1 command to run the Lisp. Enter inside diameter value example 1. Enter outside diameter value example 4. Here you can see that the donut is created with these values. Run again test1 command. Enter inside diameter value example 1.5. Here you can see the message requires an integer value if you put other than integer value. And allow you again to enter integer value.